Condominium and Homeowners Association, HOA fees in Mexico. In Mexico, a significant number of residential properties, particularly in urban areas and coastal destinations, are part of condominiums or gated communities. This type of property ownership involves individual ownership rights to a private unit, such as an apartment, townhouse, or villa, alongside shared ownership of communal spaces and amenities. Common areas can include features such as swimming pools, gyms, gardens, clubhouses, security checkpoints, parking lots, and private roads. HOA fees are collected from property owners to cover the upkeep and operation of these shared facilities. The specific services included in these fees often depend on the property type and location, but can encompass landscaping, cleaning, security, garbage collection, utility costs for common areas, maintenance of recreational amenities, and even reserves for major repairs or improvements. The cost of HOA fees in Mexico can vary widely. Factors influencing the fees include the size and number of shared amenities, the level of luxury or exclusivity of the community, and the local cost of labor and services. Fees can range from as little as a few hundred pesos per month for basic services to thousands of pesos for properties in upscale developments with extensive amenities. It's important to note that these fees are not fixed and may increase over time due to inflation, rising maintenance costs, or the need for significant upgrades or repairs. Prospective buyers should inquire about the current fee structure, the services included, and the financial health of the HOA, including whether the association has a reserve fund for emergencies. In addition to monthly fees, some associations charge special assessments for unforeseen expenses or major projects, such as repainting buildings, replacing elevators, or upgrading security systems. These assessments can significantly impact homeowners, particularly if the HOA's reserve fund is insufficient. When budgeting for homeownership in Mexico, it's crucial to account for these costs, as they directly impact the overall affordability of a property. Buyers should also review the HOA's bylaws and financial statements to understand their obligations and the community's management practices.